Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Wednesday, July 22nd. You can see very comfortable sleeping conditions out there this morning. Temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. A couple of really nice days coming up right on through Friday with lots of sunshine, highs in the upper 70s to the low 80s. But as we get towards the weekend, maybe even Friday, I think as high pressure moves off to the east, we'll see a return flow. That'll allow our temperatures to warm into the low to mid 80s across the area from Friday right on through early next week. So a pretty summer-like weekend, and we have a chance for some showers and thunderstorms on Saturday, maybe as early as very late Friday night as a cold front will come through the area. It'll be a fairly weak system, but it could touch out showers and thunderstorms. And if we look at this morning's webcam view, this is from Frankfurt. A very nice looking start to the day up there. You can see some of the fog down near the lake, and this is courtesy of TV 9 and 10. And if we look at the national weather map by this afternoon, a big sprawling area of high pressure will dominate the eastern part of the United States, centered over Iowa. It'll only very slowly move off to the east over the next several days. And again, as it moves off to the east, we'll see a little bit warmer temperatures invade the area. A northern system will move across the country here, and as we get towards Friday night and Saturday, again, that could touch off some showers and thunderstorms. As far as precipitation from that system, the WPC says about a quarter to as much as 3/4 of an inch of rain could fall across the area. I think this is taking the middle road. The GFS model has a pretty strong low coming across the lower peninsula, while the European and the Canadian show a much weaker, just a front coming through. So we'll have to see how that works out over the next 24 hours on the models. But again, there will be at least a fairly decent chance of some showers and thunderstorms, again, Friday night into Saturday. If we look at the next 6 to 10 and 8 to 14 day outlook, here's the 6 to 10, showing this will actually be slightly to above normal temperatures. I don't expect any kind of a heat wave or anything like that, but we could certainly see temperatures a few degrees above normal here, especially for later next week. And then we expect near normal precipitation. If we slide to the 8 to 14 day, it looks like a trough trying to reestablish itself. As we're in a pretty progressive pattern, doesn't allow blocking or big heat waves, prolonged heat to take place across much of the nation, with maybe the exception of Texas, where they've been drying out quite a bit, and they could see certainly plenty of heat down there. If we look at the 10-day outlook for precipitation on the Canadian model, it shows excessive amounts of rain across much of central and north central lower Michigan. And the European and the GFS show much less in the way of precipitation, and I think that's probably the right way to go. This is a depiction showing the heaviest precipitation across the Corn Belt and the mid and upper Mississippi Valley. Favorable amounts of rain across Michigan. And again, that's also what the European and the Japanese model show. So it looks like, again, a pretty nice weather pattern for wheat harvest to continue and hopefully wrap up here over the next week in many areas. Of course, we'll be getting started across central and northern Michigan here in the upcoming week. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day, and 73s to all.